What happened?
He broke
Up with me.
Get out of here.
His thing. See, my parents.
are coming to town. And I'm like, I want to meet them. And he's like, no way. And I'm like, why not? And he goes, because you're not Jewish.
He's
Jewish? How did I not know that?
A, because I'm not. And B, you never asked to meet my parents.
True.
And so what? I dropped the Jew bomb. She can't say anything about it. If she does, she's racist.
Real mature.
Don't do that, Danny. Don't judge me. When you start talking about girlfriend and boyfriend and meeting the parents, it's exit time for me.
Wait. Weren't you the one that said get in and get out?
Part of getting in, genius, is knowing when to get out.
Ouch! You're not listening. I had to break up with him because I'm not Jewish. What kind of weak-ass man?
Hold up. I thought you said he broke up with you.
Well, he did, because I did the only thing a red-blooded woman can do in that situation. I forced an ultimatum. You choose me, or you choose your family and heritage.
And he chose 3,000 years of beautiful tradition.
Can you believe that?